5. The dress we wear. Hi dudes! Clothing in India varies from region to region depending on the ethnicity, geography, climate, and cultural traditions of the people of that region. Traditional Indian garments, though they have endured for centuries, are inspired by the rich traditions of Indian religion and literature. Indian clothing has been influenced by diverse cultural influences since time immemorial. The sari itself was influenced by the Indus Valley civilization. Indian men and women have always loved to dress up in their traditional costumes, attires, and accessories during festivals and other occasions which are an integral part of Indian life. India's recorded history of clothing goes back to the 5th millennium BC in the Indus Valley civilization where cotton was spun, woven, and dyed. Bone needles and wooden spindles have been unearthed in excavations at the site. In this lesson, you will learn about the clothing in India.
5. The dress we wear. We have already learned the different food habits that vary from state to state. Even the dress of the people vary from state to state. We also wear dress according to the climate and also at the time of various celebrations like marriages, festivals, birthdays, etc. Dresses are worn to protect the body from the sun, the rain, and the cold. The dresses of the people change according to the climate.
In winter season, people usually wear clothes made of wool and wear turbans, caps, and shawls to protect against the cool weather. It is more cold in the northern states.
In summer, people wear clothes made of cotton. People usually wear white and thin clothes. This kind of cloth gives them comfort, whereas the other kind of cloths cause discomfort to the body in this season. In rainy season, people usually wear casual clothes. They also use raincoats, caps, and umbrellas to protect themselves from rain. The common dresses for the men of India are kurta lungi, dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, dhoti shirt, and trousers shirt. In our country, the common dresses of women are sari blouse, salwar kameez, shirt gagra, lahanga choli, and cloth piece called odani to cover the head. People here are dressed very colorfully, and the style of wearing a sari varies from state to state. Men's clothes also may vary from state to state. Salwar kameez with dupatta is worn by the women of Kashmir and Punjab. A gagra is a thick and heavy petticoat with many folds. We find the people of Rajasthan wearing it. The dupatta is popular in northwest, while skirt is popular in northeast. In modern times, young women and girls are fond of chudidar, pajama, and chunnari. Men usually wear shirts, bush shirts, t-shirts, and trousers. These sorts of clothes are usually worn by the people of the city. India is well known for its textile industries. Patola, Dharmavaram, Gadwal, Kanchipuram, Tassar, and Pochampalli are the different varieties of silk sarees. Chicken work of Lucknow is also very famous.
Both men and women decorate themselves with gold and silver ornaments during festivals and important occasions. They also wear new clothes.
The different kinds of dresses worn by the people of different states are given below. Dresses of men. Serial number. Dress state. 1. Chudidar, Pajama, Kurta, Angarkha, Rajasthan. 2. Chudidar, Kurta, Jacket, Gujarat. 3. Lungi, Shirt, Tamil Nadu. 4. Mundu, Kerala. 5. Dhoti, Kurta, Bengal, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. 6. Trousers, Shirt. Modern dress for men of all states. Dresses of women. Serial number. Dress state. 1. Mundu blouse, Kerala. 2. Sari blouse, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bengal, Karnataka, Odisha. 3. Salwar, Kameez, Dupatta, Punjab. 4. Gagra, Kurta, Odhani, Haryana. 5. Gagra, Kachli, Rajasthan. 6. Firan, Kashmir. 7. Lehenga, Choli, Gujarat. 8. Churidar, Pajama, Chunni, Sari, Blouse. Modern dresses for women of all states. Traditional dresses of people of different states. A couple from Kashmir. A couple from Punjab. A couple from Gujarat. A couple from Rajasthan. A couple from Maharashtra. A couple from Bengal. A couple from Assam. A couple from Karnataka. A couple from Kerala. A couple from Tamil Nadu. A couple from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. A modern couple.
Let's revise the important points.
1. The style of dressing of the people depends on the climate. 2. People wear woolen clothes, cotton clothes and casuals and use umbrellas in winter, summer and rainy seasons respectively. 3. The common dresses for men are kurta, lungi, dhoti, kurta, kurta pajama and trousers shirt. 4. The common dresses for women are sari and blouse, shirt and gagra, salwar kameez, lehenga choli, and cloth piece called odani to cover the head. 5. The style of wearing a sari differs from state to state. 6. Both men and women decorate themselves with gold and silver ornaments at times of occasion. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understandings. 1. What kind of clothes do people wear in summer and why? Answer. In summer, people wear clothes made of cotton. People usually wear white and thin clothes. This kind of cloth gives them comfort, whereas the other kind of clothes cause discomfort to the body in this season. 2. What do people use in rainy season and why? Answer. In rainy season, people usually wear casual clothes. They also use raincoats, caps, and umbrellas to protect themselves from rain. 3. What kind of clothes do people wear in winter and why? Answer. In winter season, people usually wear clothes made of wool and wear turbans, caps, and shawls to protect against the cool weather. 4. What are the most common dresses of modern times? Answer. In modern times, young women and girls are fond of chudidar pajama and chunari. Men usually wear shirts, bush shirts, t-shirts and trousers. 5. What is India famous for? What are the different varieties of silk saris? Answer. India is well known for its textile industries. Patola, Dharmavaram, Gadwal, Kanchipuram, Tassar and Pochampalli are the different varieties of silk saris. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. Three. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of the different dresses worn by the people of different states and stick them in their project book.